Find or read reviews that people are talking about YCNEW Portable Monitor Stand, VESA mount. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Universal VESA compatibility. Comes with standard 75x75mm and 100x100mm VESA mounting holes, compatible with 13 to 18.5 inch small monitors weighing up to 5.5 pounds. This versatile VESA monitor stand works well for home offices, gaming setups, and daily workstation use. Premium metal hinge structure. Built with solid metal hinges for all tilt and rotation joints, keeping your screen stable and secure during angle adjustment. The two bottom joints support tension tightening or loosening with a wrench for personalized stability control. 360 swivel base for easy viewing. Equipped with a flexible swivel base, allowing you to freely adjust the monitor to your preferred viewing angle without repositioning the entire stand. Enjoy ultra-smooth rotation and upgraded visual comfort anytime. Premium aluminum alloy construction. Main body adopts high-quality aluminum alloy material, featuring sleek appearance, solid load-bearing capacity and long-lasting durability. Light yet sturdy construction supports your portable monitor reliably. Foldable and ultra-portable design. Multi-hinge foldable structure combined with lightweight aluminum alloy material makes the stand easy to fold up and carry. Suitable for fixed desktop office use as well as business trips and outdoor travel. Space-saving solution. Compact folding mechanism allows the stand to collapse into a minimal footprint, making storage convenient and freeing up valuable desk space when not in use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.